this video, I am going to explain you why chartered accountancy course are different from other course. Why chartered accountants are respected so much in the society. क्या एग्जाम टफ होता है इसके लिए कि कुछ और ही रीजन है? Actually, the real reason is much bigger. CA is not a just degree. It is a profession built on trust, ethics, डिसिप्लिन एंड नेशनल क्रेडिबिलिटी. जैसे कि आपको पता होगा, कॉमर्स के काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेज प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशन से या यूनिवर्सिटी से रन होते हैं, बट ये सीए कोर्स ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज governed by Institute of Chartered Accountant of India (ICAI), which was established under the Act of Parliament in 1949, and that is why CA की credibility and strong recognition. One of the most unique thing about CA study is equality. There is no quota, there is no reservations. CA material across India is one. चाहे वो मेट्रो हो या फिर कोई छोटी सी सिटी हो, स्टडी मटेरियल सेम यूज होता है. आप चाहे ऑफलाइन पढ़ो या ऑनलाइन, एवरीथिंग डेटा इज सेम. देयर इज नो university course and there is no VIP advantage. CA exam is known for its discipline and transparency. इसीलिए कभी आपने CA पेपर लीकेज के बारे में नहीं सुना होगा. पेपर सेटिंग से लेकर इवैल्यूएशन तक का प्रोसेस बहुत ही स्ट्रांगली कंट्रोल किया जाता है, एंड दैट मेक्स द CA कोर्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर कोर्स बिकॉज it is earned from hard work and not other ways. Most of the courses focuses only on theory part. एग्जाम दिया, पास हुए and done, आपको डिग्री मिल जाती है. बट CA कोर्स ऐसा नहीं है. While doing the CA course, apart from the exam, you need to attend the articleship, जो practical training देती है. How to handle office, handle clients, taxation, business work, आप कैसे handle करोगे वो सिखाया जाता है. They can alone stand in the real world work. CA builds up multiple skill. CA में सिर्फ accounts ही नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है. You will get to know about taxation, law, auditing. At the same time, आप stock market, financial market को study कर सकते हो. One more thing you will learn here is ethics, problem solving and time management. And that is why every CA is playing a different role in the society. Trust. Companies share their sensitive financial information with chartered accountants. Why? Because this profession is built on ethics, integrity, responsibility and confidentiality. CA का signature बहुत ही valuable होता है and accountable होता है. CA creates a strong mental discipline. This courses teaches you patience, consistency, emotion handling and hard work without any immediate result. And ये सिर्फ स्टडी में नहीं, लाइफ में और बिजनेस में आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो, वैसा स्किल सिखाता है. CA is just about a continuous learning process. The learning never stops here. Tax law changes, law changes, business models changes. आपको इसमें कंटिन्यूस अपने आप को अपडेटेड रखना पड़ता है. Global opportunities. Indian CA is not only working in a normal traditional accounting firm, but they are joining Big Four, joining multinational companies, startups, and becoming entrepreneur. And that is why this qualification opens the door beyond a normal traditional accounting job. So someone says that I am a chartered accountant, then this represents the years of sacrifice, discipline, failure, learning and resilience. CA is not just another commerce course. It becomes a lifelong identity. So if you are preparing for CA exam, then remember one thing, that you are not just studying, you are actually building strong discipline, consistency, credibility and your own identity, and this makes CA different from all the other commerce courses? If you are any commerce student and planning your career, then this video will help you to understand a true value of CA profession.